students. Today we are going to learn class 5 maths chapter 1 numbers. आज हम class 5 का मैथ का पहला चैप्टर नंबर्स पढ़ेंगे. Now as we learn in the last class, as we learned in the last class about the digits, that is one digit number, that is 1 to 9, and 2 digit number, that is 10 to 99, and third 3 digit number, that is 100 to 999, and 4 digit number, that is 1000 to 9999. These things we learned in the last 2-3 classes, that is second, third, fourth. In this, the smallest number is 1, and greatest is 9. Likewise, in second digit, smallest is 10 and greatest is 99. In the similar way, the third digit, it is 100, and this one is, that is greatest, is 999. And in 4 digit number, the smallest is 1000, and greatest is 9999. Now in this class we have to learn about the 5 digit numbers, that is 5 digit number, which will start from 10,000 and ends with 99,999. Thus, it is 10,000 and the biggest is 99,999. That is 5 nines. In this, we have smallest number, that is 10,000, and greatest 99,999. Like this, the 5 digit number is started from 10,000 and ends with 99,999. Now we have to go for the another thing, that is how we form the numbers. How we form the numbers. If example, if we have 1, 2, 4, 0 and 5. Now form a number, a smallest and greatest number by using given numbers. That is these numbers in 5 digits. Now, how we can form this number into 5 digits? That is smallest and in greatest. Now, first of all, we have to go for smallest number. That is, as we all know that smallest number is 10,000. Like among this, on this basis, first we have to get numbers 1, 2, 4, 0 and 5. The smallest number is 1. Then 0. Then 2. Then 4. Then lastly it is 5. Here 0 comes in between in the first and second place. The 0 comes in the second place because when we put 0 in the first place, it cannot have any value. Its value is 0. Then the number is only 4 digits. That's why we have to put 0 in the second place. When we get the 5 digit, then only we get the 5 digits number. Likewise, whenever you will get any numbers in the 5 digits number, to form a smallest and greatest number, if you get 0, then you simply put the 0 in the second place. And the greatest number is reverse 5, 4, 2, 1, 0. In like this, the greatest number will be formed. And now I given this table. Please learn this table thoroughly, and it will helpful for your exams in the future time. Now, extension of numbers. What do you mean by extension of numbers? Extension of numbers. Extension of numbers means it is the number which is extension of number. It is the numbering extending the numbers. That is, if we take that is 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, then simply we have to extend that 8,000 plus 5, 80,000 plus 5,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 2. In this, it is 80,000 and this one is 5,000 and it is 400. This is 30 and it is 2. This one called extended form or expanded form. Now, if we put this one into periods, what is the period? Period is the place which is the number is divided into 3 periods or among the numbers, how many numbers are there? If on the number along the numbers, we have to divide it into periods. The first period is ones period, second thousands period, and third is lakh. Ones period, under ones period we get numbers of 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Then in thousand period, that is 1,000 plus 10,000. And in third place, it is lakh and 10 lakh place. Like this, when we go to the numbers, we get more numbers and we simply to identify how much numbers are there, we are going to simply put commas in between the numbers which help us to identify the place of the numbers. That is for example, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 8. If we have these numbers, then we cannot understood how we will count them or how we will tell them that what is the place value of 3 and what is the place of 2, what is the place of 1, what is the place value of Simply we have to put commas, that is, it is ones, tens, hundred. After 100 we have to put one comma, that is 1,000 before 1,000 place and after 100 place. Then 1,000, 10,000 again after 10,000 and before lakh place. It is lakh place. Here you also put one comma. Like this we simply tell it as 3,21,568. In this way, we write it also in the words, that is 3,21,000 500 68. By putting commas, we simply identify the numbers place value and easily we have to write it in the words. Like this, if we put a chart, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, that is lakh. In this, we have to put numbers that is from right to left to right. That is 8, 6, 5, 1, 2 and 3. Here also we get the numbers place value and it is simply, it is so simple to identify the value of the particular number. That is, lakh means it is 3. That is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros plus 10,000. That is 2. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Then 1,000. That is 1. Again put 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. Then 5. 5 is in the place of 100. In hundreds we put 2 zeros. That is 2 0. Then tens we put 1 0. That is 1 0. Plus ones place the number is same 8. Like this we identify the place value of any given number. And this one is called expanded form. Now, these numbers are expanded. Now we have to short form them. Now we have to short form the expanded numbers. Then again it is simple. That is, in 3 lakhs we took 3. Then in 20,000 we take 2. Then in 1,000 we take 1. Then 500 in 500 we have to take 5. Then in 60 we have to take 6. And lastly it is ones. The number is 8. We have to put 8. This number is called short form number of number, short form of given expanded form of numbers. Now we understood the writing the words and the place value and the expanded form and the short form. Now we have to go to comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. In this, we take some examples to understood the topic. In this, we have to take some examples to understand the topic. That is comparison of numbers. If we take 84,398 and another number is 84,352. Now, here it is 84,000. Here also it is 84,000. Here it is 300, it is 300, it is 98 and it is 52. Now simply we have to draw a chart. We have to put these two numbers in the columns. First, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Now we have to take this first number, that is 84,398, and the second number is 84,352. In this chart, the 8 here, 8 equals 8. It is equal. Then 4 in 1000 place, 4 and 4. It is 4 equals 4. Then 100 place, it is 3 equals 3. But in tens place, it is 9 and here it is 5. That 9 is not equal to 5. Like this, when we found the not equal number, then simply we have identified that number and we say that 84,398 is, here it is 9 and it is 5. That is 9 is greater than 5. Then 84,398 is greater than 84,352. Like this, we can compare the numbers, whatever is given in the exams or in the questions. Simply, without any hesitation, we can understood and solve that sum or problem. Now, after this, we have to go for another topic, that is ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means we have to write the numbers from small number to big number. That is smaller number to bigger number. If we get the example 398, 4,394, 150, 7,890, then 10,601. Now, in these numbers, we have to identify the smallest number. Before going to smallest number, we first of all identify the numbers. It is 3-digit number and here it is also 3-digit number. So that's 3-digit number. We have to take first 3-digit number, that is 398 and 150. In these two numbers, which number is smaller? Simply 1 is smaller. Then automatically we have to write first 150, then 398, then we get 3 numbers. These are, it is 4 digit and it is also 4 digit. Then again we have to sort out which is the smaller. It is 4 and here it is 7. Which is the smaller, 4 or 7? Automatically we go for 4, that is 4,394, then 7,890 and lastly it is 10,601. Like this, we have to ascend the numbers. We have to write the numbers in ascending order. That is smaller to bigger. In this way, we have to go for another topic, that is descending order. Descending number. Descending order. In this, we have to go from upward to downwards. That is bigger to smaller. For example, 594, 6,708, 8,441, 783, 8,494. Here we have 3-digit number also and 4-digit numbers also. Now we have to go for, first of all, greater number. Which is the greater number? 3 digits are smaller. Now greater number is 4 digits. That is 4 digits number. In 3 numbers, which is the bigger? 6, 8 smaller. Now we have to take only 2 numbers, that is 84, 84, 84. These are same. Now here 41 and here it is 94. Then simply we have to take that 94, 8,494 first, then 8,441 second, then we have to go for 6,708. Then we have to come for 3-digit numbers, that is here it is 5 and here it is 7. Which is the bigger, 5 or 7? It is 7, 783, then it is 594. Like this we have to write in the descending order and we have to get the correct answer. Now I can recall the whole topic, that is introduction of 5-digit numbers, that is 10,000 to 99,999, and smaller is this one and it is greatest. It is smallest and it is greatest. Then we have to make the periods, that are 3. That is, one is ones period, second one is thousands period, and third one is lakhs period. Like this we have to group the numbers, grouping the numbers. It is called grouping the numbers. Grouping the numbers. Then we have to find out the place value. By making a chart, by putting commas, by putting commas, we easily read and write the numbers. Then we have to compare the numbers by with the help of this chart or again we have to go for ascending and descending order. That is, ascending order means we have to take the smallest number for the first and move for upward, that is greatest number, up to greatest number. And in descending order we have to take the greatest number first, then we have to go downwards towards the smallest number. I hope you all understood the topic. If you have any doubt, without hesitation you have to call